I pull this and this, and pull that. Click, and down we go.
Wow.
And that's it.
That was easy.
I'm going to bed.
So this is a huge sleeper.
This is a conversion sleeper. The just like a Ford or Chevy van would go down and have a conversion job done. They take a Peterbilt and they take the factory sleeper off and put a conversion sleeper on it. And this is one of the larger ones. That's why I bought it, because it's huge. And the kind of work I do, I don't have to worry about weight. Most trucks are small because of the weight. They have only a limited amount of cargo or poundage. They can haul 80,000 pounds, and the heavier the truck is, the less the cargo.
Right.
So, but yeah, most trucks, a factory sleeper would come back about right to here, and there would be a bed, a mattress about right in here, and this is the back wall, and that's outside. This one, instead of a 60 or 70 inch sleeper, this is 132 inches, which is 11 feet.
Wow.
So all the way back to here is 11 feet, and then this is just a fin.
And if you had a trailer on, you probably couldn't step in.
You could. You still come in that way.
Okay.
Yeah. Most trucks don't have the back door. The big sleeper trucks, this is the big conversion fancy truck. So
It's huge.
most people are really shocked when they get inside.
Oh man, you got a full kitchen?
Yeah, I got burner off the generator. It's electric. There's no propane. They don't put propane in trucks, mainly because this truck, they don't know where the truck's going to go. It might be going to a chemical factory, and they don't want a propane in a chemical factory. They don't want a burner. So it's all electric. Got a generator, a 7,500 watt Onan generator, which runs off the diesel that's in the tanks for the truck. And I don't have to worry about noise too much because I'm in a noisy truck stop. So I start the generator whenever I want, and I cook. I've got, like I said, burner. Got the microwave convection oven, okay, and a full refrigerator with ice cream. Gotta have ice cream. And then a refrigerator down here with your normal refrigerator stuff. And then here's your kitchen, just like at home, just like in a house.
Literally like in a house.
Yeah, just like that. It's my pots and pans, and the junk drawer down the bottom. It's electronic stuff and whatnot. Just junk drawer. Everybody's got to have a junk drawer. And this is just like a pantry. I got a few things in. I got my printer up here, and then this is another pantry up here. Your food. And then on this side, you got the same size drawers, but I use them for different things. I got DVDs, my shaving kit. You know, this is my socks and underwear. Don't look in there. And this is pants and shorts, and there's my jeans. This cabinet over here is where I put my short sleeve summer shirts. Okay. Mm-hmm. And then over here are my winter shirts. I've got a coat stuffed in here right now. And then down here is just regular storage. I get just whatever. The best thing about this truck, right here, this is my pride and joy.
Oh my.
Trucks don't usually have these.
No.
The conversion trucks do.
So you got a shower. This is a wet bath.
It's a wet bath, just like most smaller Class B RVs.
Right. So you've got a full toilet, full shower.
Right. And the toilet goes into a cassette style. If everybody knows what that is in the RV world, they have your black tanks. This has a black cassette. So instead of having to pull up to an RV dumping station, I can just grab the cassette, walk over to a dump, because trucks are hard to maneuver sometimes.
Right.
So that makes it easy for that. Wow. So then when I get ready to go to bed, I pull this and this, and pull that. Click, and down we go.
Wow.
And that's it.
That was easy.
I'm going to bed. I got
nice
up.
Big bed.
I got up. I'm done. Oh, first thing in the morning, click. Put the pillow. Put the cushions. And I'm done.
And you're off.
Anyway, underneath here, this is your water tank, just like an RV. 30 gallons of fresh water. Mm-hmm. And then on this side, this is your electronics and whatnot. This is where the This is the hot water tank.
So you have a big house battery that you can use if you need to.
No.
No house battery as such.
Trucks aren't really designed to be RVs, to go park somewhere for months and months and months. If you wanted to, you could add solar. Well, I don't. You could add house batteries. But this truck has 4 starter batteries that are on the step that you stepped on when you looked in the cab. When you stepped up on that step, that's the battery box. They start the engine and everything, and for what little bit of time you're spend in the evening, you drive all day, you pull in, watch TV, those batteries are good enough. And then, when the generator's running, you got the air conditioning. This is just an RV air conditioner, and they put that on, that's from the factory. Everything in here is from the factory. And then when you're driving down the road, you have the air conditioner on the dash, just like a car, truck, whatever. But they also have an air conditioner back here that runs, there's the vents, and here's the thermostat. So it runs all that, and while you're going down the highway, this air conditioner keeps the sleeper cool, and the cab keeps the cab cool. When you stop, you close these curtains. This works really good in the summer or winter when it's really extreme. Oh, look at that. You close this off. For one, nobody can see you when you're undressing and getting ready to go to bed.
Right.
But also, it's a heat shield. It's thick blackout, and it's actually double thick. And it keeps a lot of the heat. When it's really cold outside, I was in Colorado last month. It was 10 degrees. Freezing cold. And I was toasty as a bug back here.
Right.
Yeah, so, but you keep these closed. Because if you leave these open, the windows.
Yeah.
So it got cold up there, but it was toasty warm back here, you know. So anyway, that's, I know almost all trucks have these, but, another thing, the factory sleeper. If I was sitting in a factory sleeper, I would be about right here sitting on the bed, and it comes back to about right here. Bob, you're outside. Did you know that?
Yeah, I would be.
Here's where the back wall would be. So,
Right.
So from here back is all the bigger sleeper version. So
it's gigantic. I could live comfortably in here forever.
Right. Yeah, and that's an option I've been looking into. Right. But as far as just seeing the country, if all you want to do is drive down the road and see the mountains go by and look at see how beautiful this country is, this is a perfect way to do it. As a business, just to work. If you want to work full time, it's an option. But if you want to RV and camp, you can slow down and work a little bit, play a little bit, work a little bit, play a little bit. So.
Well, Stan, thank you so much for sharing your home and your life experience with us, the ups and the downs of it. I just really appreciate it. I think there are a lot of people out there have gotten a lot of really good ideas about what is an option for them.
I hope so.
I think you've opened some eyes and maybe enlightened some folks.
It's an option. It's RVing with a twist.
With a twist. Yes.
There you go.
Big twist. Big twist.
Yeah, big 80,000-pound twist.
Right. Folks, thanks for joining us. I hope you enjoyed this video, learned something, and enjoyed this gorgeous home that Stan has. And we'll talk to you later.